Hi friends, welcome back. Our SP's second chapter, Joint Stock Company. Myself, Mrs. Sheetal Kaviraj Jadhav from BYK College of Commerce, Nasik. In the last video, I taught you I have started all the types of companies. I taught you on the basis of incorporation. Yes, anybody tell me what's the types of on the basis of incorporation types? Yes, statutory company and registered company. Yes. Second type मैंने बताया था आपको on the basis of number of members, private company, yes, public company, and third one person company. Correct. Then third type is on the basis of liability of members. उसमें मैंने फिर सबसे 3 टाइप्स बताए थे. कंपनी लिमिटेड बाय शेयर्स, कंपनी लिमिटेड बाय गारंटी एंड थर्ड वन अनलिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी कंपनी. Yes. And fourth one on the basis of control, holding company and subsidiary company. Okay. So in this lecture, I start now other types of companies. First one is government company. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital, यानी कि 51% के नीचे उनका कैपिटल कम नहीं रहता है. सो दैट गवर्नमेंट कंपनी, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? गवर्नमेंट कंपनी मीन्स क्या समझ में आया? नॉट लेस देन 51% पेड अप कैपिटल. ऐसे कौन सी कंपनी है? हेल्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और गवर्नमेंट्स, or partly by central government and partly by one or more state governments or subsidiary company of a government company. Government company may be a private company also or public company also, remember. In fact, it is a company registered and incorporated under Companies Act 2013. यानी कि गवर्नमेंट कंपनी में उनका सबसे पहले मैंने बताया कि उनका जो पेडअप कैपिटल है वो कितना चाहिए? नॉट लेस देन 51% के नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा ही होना चाहिए, मोर देन 51%. उसके बाद मैंने बोला कि गवर्नमेंट कंपनी या तो प्राइवेट कंपनी भी हो सकती है या पब्लिक कंपनी भी हो सकती है, या in fact as company registered, Companies Act incorporated under the Companies Act 2013. For example, Hindustan Machine Tools Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Coal India Limited, Oil Natural Gas Corporation India Limited. This is all the government companies, for example. Then, foreign company. Foreign company means a company incorporated outside in India but having place of business in India. यानी कि फॉरेन कंपनी मीन्स क्या है कि उसका इनकॉर्पोरेशन कहाँ हुआ है? रजिस्ट्रेशन आउटसाइड इन इंडिया, इंडिया के बाहर, बट प्लेस ऑफ बिजनेस इन इंडिया, पर बिजनेस कहाँ पर चल रहा है? इंडिया में चल रहा है. For example, Nestle India Limited, all of you know the Nestle Milo food products वगैरह, Bata India also all of you know, Whirlpool Corporation, etc. All these the, for example, the foreign company. Okay. The next one is the third one is the next is dormant company. Dormant company means if company is registered for a future project or has not made any significant accounting transaction in last 2 years. थोडक्यामध्ये उसका मीनिंग मैं बताती. Dormant means asleep, means inoperative, inactive as a sleep. Okay? और क्या बताया मैंने कि if company is registered for a future project के लिए उसका registration हुआ है, has not made any significant account transaction is last 2 years में उसमें कोई भी उसका transaction नहीं हुआ है, और has not filled financial statement, ऐसी कंपनी की जिसने 2 साल से कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं किया है, कोई भी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट फिलअप नहीं किया है, और एनुअल रिटर्न्स लास्ट ईयर से उन्होंने क्या किया है, फिलअप नहीं किया है. सो दिस कॉल द डोरमेंट कंपनी. सो द डोरमेंट मीन्स क्या समझ में आया आपको? जस्ट लाइक अ इनऑपरेटिव asleep कंपनी. नेक्स्ट वन, listed company. Listed company means a company which has any of its securities listed of any recognized stock exchange. A public limited company may be listed company or unlisted company. The listed companies will also have to follow SEBI's guidelines. SEBI's guidelines means SEBI means SEBI means S for securities, E for exchange, B for Board of India. Securities and Exchange Board of India. So that means SEBI means Securities and Exchange Board of India guidelines and the provides of the Companies Act. So it is the SEBI is established to protect the interest of the investors in securities and regulate the securities market. Okay, so this is the benefit of this listed company. Next one is the small company. Small company means a company other than a public company. Paid up share capital of which does not exceed 50 lakh or such higher amount as may be prescribed, or turnover of which as per its last profit and loss account does not exceed 2 crores of such higher amount as may be prescribed. यानी कि स्मॉल कंपनी मीन्स क्या है कि अदर देन है पब्लिक कंपनी. पब्लिक कंपनी के अदर देन जो भी कंपनी है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्मॉल कंपनी. और उसका जो अमाउंट है उसका कैपिटल कितना रहता है? पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल नॉट एक्सीड 50 लाख, 50 लाख के ज्यादा नहीं रहता है. ओके, और प्राइवेट कंपनी, 1% कंपनी एंड कंपनी अदर देन पब्लिक कंपनी कैन बी स्मॉल कंपनी. इज इट क्लियर ना? स्मॉल कंपनी में प्राइवेट कंपनी आती है, 1% कंपनी आती है. ठीक है. देन एसोसिएट कंपनी. An associate company is one over which another company exercises a significant degree control which is less than the degree of control exercised over a subsidiary company. So that means associate company in relation to other company, another company means a company in which that other company has a significant influence but which is not a subsidiary company. Remember, for the purpose of this clause, significant influence means control of at least 20% of total capital or of business decisions under an agreement. Remember, okay? Next, last one is the company not for profit. यानी कि जो कंपनी प्रॉफिट मेकिंग के लिए नहीं बनती है. These companies under section 8, such companies are registered. Remember, whose primary motive is to provide service and its members and not to earn profit. For example, these all the companies related to the, for example, education, sports club and charitable trust is all the related to that, not for profit concern. Then motto is only the provide the services. So is this clear now? All of you understood all the types of companies? I taught you now 5 types of the companies, main 5 types and other than so many types of companies. Yes, understood? Okay. In the next video, I taught you the differences between public company and private company. Okay.